Hey guys, just want to do a quick video. Market is pumping today. Yesterday, the market was dumping. Go figure. Maybe the market just needed a little correction. Last night, Bitcoin dumped from 48,000, got rejected. We dumped down to 44.8 was the last I saw when I woke up last night. And like I said in my video yesterday, Bitcoin really needed to hold 45,000 because if we drop below 44,000, that could have been a real nightmare. We would have just basically eventually dumped back down to 40,000 in my opinion. But we did bounce and we're back up to 46.3. When I did my video yesterday, I actually thought yesterday was Friday. And the stock market was down 500 points, and I thought we were going into a weekend, and I thought that would have been really bad. But thankfully, yesterday was Thursday, and today the stock market was up most of the day. So I think that also helped with Bitcoin, Bitcoin's rise. You know, a lot of people think that Bitcoin dumped yesterday because of this European KYC news where all the exchanges have to have KYC, and every time you transfer to like MetaMask or something like that, whoever is receiving the coins also has to be KYC, which is really weird. I don't think it had anything to do with that. I think the market was just due for a correction. I mean, think about it. We're at 48,000, now we're at 46.3. Doesn't that seem like a normal correction? And most of these altcoins didn't even really dump all that much. I mean, I thought about even like selling yesterday. I actually had some stop losses set to sell some of my coins, and the stop losses didn't even get hit. I mean, everything's been doing really, really well. Like I said in the previous video, the one thing that makes me more bullish now is that the altcoins are basically pumping, and when Bitcoin dumps, the altcoins don't dump all that much. Everything is up. I mean, look at Solana at 134. You wouldn't see Solana at 134 right now if we were very, very bearish. So, and even XRP holding at 82 cents, you know, like I said, you don't make any money if you hold XRP, but it is holding 82 cents. Cardano is still at 117. I mean, Cardano was what, 78 cents a week ago or 2 weeks ago? Everything is still holding. Normally, what you'll see in a full bearish market, everything goes into Bitcoin. So, if Bitcoin dumped from 48 to 46, many of these altcoins would dump like 20%. But you didn't even see that. A lot of these altcoins didn't even dump at all. They just keep going up. Look at Terra still on fire at 106. Avalanche, you know, Avalanche is up from yesterday. I mean, Avalanche. I haven't seen Avalanche at $99 in a while. Even during the dump yesterday, it hit like 94, 95, but it just never dumped before that or below that. So everything's looking really good to me. Polygon at 170. There's really no bad news. And if you look at like the smaller coins, like the metaverse coins, which I always, you know, that's like my real gamble. Look at Theta at 417. I did a video last week. I said when Theta was 270, I said it wouldn't surprise me if next week Theta is $4. And now we're at $4. That's why you can't sell low, folks. You just have to hold and buy the dips. My favorite Vulcan Forge is up to 1440. It's up like it was $7, $8 a week ago. Does that look like bearish to you guys? Everything looks very bullish. And as far as the news, you know, pretty cool story. Bitcoin could reach 1.3 million, you know, at some point. And I believe that. I think eventually Bitcoin will be at 1.3 million. And the reason is there's only 2 million Bitcoin left. You know, there'll be a point where every single Bitcoin is mined and there will be no more, and that's just going to raise the price, raise the price. Now this is over 100 years from now, but every year, every halvening, every 4 years, there's less and less and less coins. And you know, unlike any other investment, you really can't say that. Even gold, like they could mine more gold and then there's more gold in the market. They could discover a ton of gold somewhere, and then your gold gets devalued. With Bitcoin, that can never happen, and that's what's so cool. I was also reading another story, just talking about why you would invest in gold versus Bitcoin. I actually bought a bunch of gold not long ago, and I canceled the order because I'm like, look, if I buy all this gold right now and the economy goes to hell, I maybe gold can double from where it is right now. But if I buy Bitcoin, it can 10, 20x, and a lot of these altcoins can 50x. So I canceled my order, and I just decided to put more money into cryptocurrency. So hopefully that works out in the end, and I think it will. But all in all, everything is looking really good today. Everything's coming back. The stock market was up this morning and now it's kind of flat, but I think going into the weekend we're in a good spot. I do think we're still in a bearish market. Anything could happen. We could dump back down to 28,000. We could dump back down to 35,000. It could happen at any moment. But right now, things look bullish, and that's positive going into the weekend. So as of right now, I'm definitely short-term bullish because I always follow these altcoins, and the altcoins are all doing really, really well. Like I said, in times of fear, everybody puts their money into Bitcoin, but that's not happening. People are buying the altcoins, so that's bullish. So we'll see what happens. We'll keep monitoring, but like I always say in my videos, that's why you have to have skin in the game. If you sold everything a couple weeks ago when Bitcoin was what 39,000 or 40,000 or whatever, you'd be kind of screwed. And I know a lot of people who did. So buy the dips, hold to the next bull market, sell in the next bull market. Set price levels to sell. For me, Theta, I sold, like I always said, I sold a bunch of my Theta at like $12, $13. Actually, it was like $9, $10 around there when I sold my Theta. I'm going to sell my other half bag of my Theta at maybe $25 or $30. Same with the little bit of Bitcoin I have. I'm going to sell that maybe at $100,000. My Polymatic, I want to sell that at $10. I'm not going to sell these coins before they hit my price targets, unless there's some really bad news. Like if there's news that comes out and says Theta had a major hack and the whole company's getting sold and going under, then you want to get rid of it. But as long as these companies are viable and the blockchains are still doing well and the people behind them are still working on the project, there's no reason to get out of these projects until the next bull market when you can really make the gains. Don't sell. Even if you sold yesterday during the dump, I know people who sold yesterday during the dump, you would have lost a lot of money because Bitcoin did dump, what, $2,000 or $3,000. So if you bought Bitcoin at $48,000, then you sold it at 45, you immediately lose $3,000. And then Bitcoin might be right back up to $48,000 tomorrow, and then you're buying back in. So with crypto, only sell in a bull market if you're ahead. In the bear market and the dumps, that's when you buy. Think long term. Think 2023, 2024. Stop thinking short term. There's one guy I always talk to. Every day he tells me, "Oh, I made $100 today. I'm up $100." Or I'm down $100. Oh, I'm up $200 today. Oh, now I'm shorting. I shorted today and now I made $100, but then the next day he loses all. You can't think like that. Think 10, 20, 30, 40x in a couple years. Don't think these daily price swings. Any idiot can come out and say, oh, I'm up today, and then the market crashes tomorrow. Oh, I'm down, now I'm up. Those people aren't making any money in crypto. The people who are making money, and you can research this on YouTube, look at all the YouTubers who started in 2017, 2013. The people that made all the money are the people that bought years ago and held to the next bull market and sold. All right, have a good day.